What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna cook noodles. Then we're gonna put some water here. We're gonna do that. Gonna put some fire there. We'll wait until it make the bubbles. Okay, guys, let's wait. Si Austin naman.
Austin, dito
In a
ka!
few minutes, it's not yet done. Still gonna wait for a few minutes. Here are the things you need. Extra big pancit canton. Here's the stuff. Oh, stop! Here's the mashed. Mama, yung bata! Yung bata! Dito! We're just gonna go check on my dog. So guys, here's my dog over here. Here's my dog. Why is the dog poop everywhere? There's dry leaves everywhere. So here's the home we moved. And then I think at April 15 we go back to our house. It's not yet. Look, it's a little bit making the bubbles. Making the bubbles a little bit. Let's get ready for it. There's the noodles. So my dad isn't here. My dad is at work. Not getting milk. Not even getting milk. In 2 minutes. Wait, it's starting. Mama! Paunti-unti nang Unti-unti na. Kumukulo. Let's wait for it to boil. Guys, I'm gonna cut this thing, okay? We're gonna cut it here. So guys, it's finally boiling. I just cut for like a few minutes just to wait for it to boil. Here's the match that we use. Ma, pwede ko nang ilagay yung Pwede ko nang ilagay? Ha? Pwede ko nang ilagay yung pancit canton?
Kumukulo na ba?
Opo. Okay guys, we will put it now. Ukraine and Russia, we need peace. Now we're gonna put it here. Hindi ko muna lalagyan. Right here it is. Let's put it in. Put it in.
Austin! Anong ginagawa mo? Dito ka nga!
I know it's supposed to be. Wala nga akong content dito. Guys, here it is. Like 4 minutes. Now there, we're gonna get... Mama, ano gagamitin kapag sasahugin na yun? Pag kukunin na? Anong gagamitin kapag kukunin na? Okay guys, we're gonna do this. Just wait for it to get cooked. Here's the little bit. We suppose we already eat it. Jacob! Ano ba ginagawa mo? Guys, we're gonna give you a little bit of house tour until that boils. Here's my little brother. So So guys, we have Wi-Fi here, but this is not our house. We're gonna climb upstairs. I wish this goes viral. Hear how high it is. I'm scared of heights. Here's our room. Later, this will be our room. It has a double bed. Now, this is where we sleep earlier. We all sleep in this room. And now, let's go check on that. Guys, we can't climb up here because my mom said it. Here's the balcony, but we can't open it because it's cracked. We don't know what's in this room, so we won't check it. I'm gonna show you the bathrooms. Those are not mine. Here's the toilet. Oh, that's me. Hi. Here's the other bathroom, the laundry room. Here's the other bathroom where we used to take a bath. Here's where we take a bath. There's a ruler. What for? And here's a fridge. Wait. Yo, those clothes. Sasara ko ulit. Hey, Austin, wag! Guys, here it is. Now we're gonna there's the living room. I'm gonna show you the outside. Here it is. So guys, have you seen the kitchen yet? The one where I'm cooking is the kitchen. Here's the kitchen. This is not our house. Wait. Mama, kukunin na ba? Ha? Kunin na yung yun. Pwede na. We're gonna close this thing. Paano ko ito babatayin? Ay, patay na. Hey guys, we're gonna put it here. Watch me do it. You guys see? Guys, just wait.